Good day everyone, this is Gabriel and I welcome you to this tutorial, right? Not just Gabriel Fandy. Alright, so we started a series of videos where we talk about how to search and how to download your design resources, right? So this is the second video. If you have not downloaded the first one, go and watch it or download it. So today I'll be teaching you how to get some textures and sketches and illustrations and patterns. Okay, they are different. There are different things that are used for different reasons. Okay, so without wasting our time, so I'll still stick to my favorite website, which is Freepik. Alright, so when you launch your Freepik, when you launch your browser and you go to freepik.com, right? So just search for, we have different types of texture. Alright, texture is the feel or the look of a surface, right? So like the feel of your skin is different from that of a grass, then from that of the wall, right? So how a surface feels, right, is what we call texture. Okay, so it depends on the look or the feel you want in your design. Okay, do you want it grungy? Do you want it smooth? Do you want the nylon texture, whatsoever you want? Okay, just search it. For example, I will type paper texture, right? So can you see what I'm having here? So I can download any one that is applicable. Alright, and just click on it and download it like that. Okay, click on download and I'll just download the one that I want. Okay, I don't need this. Alright, I'll just so you can download that and you can search for, let's try another one. Let's try leather texture. Yeah, can you see? So it depends on what you want. I love this. I'm going to download this. Alright, so it depends on the feel you want. Okay, it depends on how you want your your surface to look like. Alright, how you want your surface to look like. So you can just, and if you don't know what to do, alright, what you need to do is that you just search for texture, right? Just search for texture alone. So you're going to have varieties, then you can just scroll and see the one that is usable for you. Alright, that is usable. Let me download this, I like it. Okay, so you just download the one that is usable for you. Okay, so that's that about textures. Alright, because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, now let's talk about sketches. Alright, have you seen some designs like that? For example, let me launch my Pixel app and show you something. Okay. Alright, let me see. Okay, let me use this guy. Yeah, this book design. Now look at this thing here. Let me increase the opacity. It's a sketch. Alright, it's a sketch. Can you see? It's a sketch. So there are some designs where you just want to use it, especially designs that are food related, designs that are what's it called, educational designs, right? Those two, it's very common in those two designs, right? So how do you get it? Okay, so let's come to Freepik again and type for example, let's try food sketch, right? So what I'm teaching you today, it took me some time to understand and to compile the keywords, right? Can you see what we have here? So you can just download these guys and use them. Okay, you can just download and use these guys. Okay, so let's move forward. Then let's talk about patterns, right? What is pattern? Pattern is a repetition of two or more design elements. Okay, it can be lines, it can be shapes. All right, so just search for it. Pattern. All right, pattern. Okay, so when you search for it, you have all these guys. This is African, this is traditional. All right, you have all these guys. Okay, all right, can you see these guys? I use this type. So if this is the type you want, you can click on it just like I did. All right, then you have the opportunity to get the ones that are like it. All right, can you see? So this is amazing. I love this one, and I'm going to download it or download the JPG. Okay, so that's that about it. I believe you have learned something new. All right, so in our next video, we're going to talk about PNGs, right? We're going to talk about PNGs, right? I'll show you how to download your PNGs and how to get your icons. Okay, so guys, I believe, remember, you can get your textures, you can get your sketches, you can get your illustrations. For example, that sketch, right? You can use education sketch. All right, and you're going to get, can you see, something like this, amazing stuff, sincerely. So as much as you want. Okay, so the thing is that you might have to pay for premium to enjoy some of those guys. I mean, some of those elements. Okay, but even with the free version, you can get some that you can use. Okay, so guys, I believe you have learned something. Don't forget, it's not just about listening and knowing, it's about implementing what you know. All right, so my name is Gabriel Fani, and I'm a brand manager, a brand strategist, and a coach, and hope to see you in another video, and have a wonderful and a beautiful day or night. Bye for now.